in the same position you're in right now. We were looking at having to make the same choices from that.
Get it.
I just want to do right
Yeah,
by
Bubba.
Gigi.
And you will.
You get it.
Because Gigi trusts you. And she left these decisions up to you for a reason. And whatever you decide to do, it's not going to change our friendship.
Hey, how's Matthew, by the way?
He's a little bitter. He said a few words to it.
He's drinking the water you put in his mouth.
Someone did this.
You'll be happy to walk out.
You don't want me to record you crying, do you?
Jack Manning was arrested for attempted murder and kidnapping. I'm on my way to watch him throw a little punk in lockup now.
You're going there right now?
It's the only thing that could keep me from Gigi's side. I just want to be able to tell her that the person who put her in that bed is going to pay.
Okay, you know what, Brad? We don't have a lot of time. You want to go down for this alone?
I know, because I was talking to him. He was smiling.
What's he doing?
There's a woman in the hospital right now, and they say she may never recover. That's what attempted murder is.
It wasn't.
What are you doing? Oh.
Hey, Boogies! Hi!
You're responsible for the whole thing.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, you got the bottle, didn't you?
Because all the evidence points to you.
You got sprayed, didn't you?
This is a trick. Jake didn't say anything. You're trying to get one of us to flip on the other. I've seen this.
Yeah?
He's trying to do a handstand, Mom.
You're in prison? It's nothing like that. I mean, unless you're watching Oz, it's kind of like that. All I can say is you're going to be very popular on the inside, and that's going to be your whole life, Brad. Let me ask you this. Did Jack go to jail to protect you?
Bubba.
Won't have to go to jail.
Oh, no.
Alright, here you
I
go.
can get you to do it for him. Does that sound good to you?
I want to record him more.
What'd I say? That's why I don't let